Let me share with you why I chose to spend a little bit more on a commercial grade microwave. Commercial grade microwaves are built to handle heavy use and even some rough treatment. For example, the handles and the latches are much stronger than what you would find on a regular household microwave. I can't even count how many microwave handles I've had to replace over the years. Another reason I went with a commercial microwave is because I know the internal parts, especially the ones that generate the cooking power, are heavy duty and built to last. This microwave has 1,000 watts of power, making it one of the fastest options you can get for home use. And if you look inside, you'll notice there's no turntable. Turntables and glass trays are common points of failure. Panasonic solved that by designing this microwave to cook from the bottom up. Folks, if you're looking for a reliable, powerful microwave, this Panasonic commercial model is a great choice. It's built to last, and it might just be the only microwave you'll ever need. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.